From the main menu, select Suppliers, Transactions, Supplier Purchase Order. Click on the Add Purchase Order button. Select the supplier from the Supplier drop-down menu. Confirm the purchase order date and delivery date are correct. Click on the Select Item drop-down menu to select the item to order. Tab to the Quantity field and enter the number of units to be ordered. Confirm the value is correct and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Email button to process the document. Once processed, the document will display on the Supplier Purchase Orders screen.